Good afternoon, everyone. Our topic today is all about believe even it's unbelievable. That it means that kung sa may itong pinago through mo karon, whatever the challenges, the storms, winds comes into your life, accept it, accept it with heart, with all your heart, without regrets, without doubts, without fears, because that is the things that could be give us the fuel to really move forward despite unsa ka dako na problema, unsa ka uh, very uh, lisod or dili sayon. That's pressure becomes our our character to build our character also. So when pressures comes, that's the opportunity for us. We think that that is opportunity to grow with our skills, with your character, with your faith, whatever you believe. And for me, I believe in God. So for me, that's one thing that really fuels me when na ako'y mga problema, na ako'y trials na maagyan, I go first to Him. So remember that, ayaw wala og paglaom, that we need to trust uh, the Father, whatever you believe in. And I believe that as we go through the challenges along the way, we see and we know that the value that as we face those challenges, it could result a perseverance and a resiliency in terms of dealing with it. And that's what growths come. It's between the pressures and the challenges that we face on daily basis. So whatever it is, remember that you're not alone with your journey. God is with you. So I am in my base room right now, or boarding house na po. Dahil ako nag-content. And yeah, it seems I'm alone. Feeling na ko na lago rin walang tao ng video. That's my thoughts in my mind. And that is not my control. So I need to do this every single day so that when challenges comes, know that you have you have God. No, I have this quote in the Bible in Joshua chapter 1 verse 9. Be strong and courageous. Do not afraid or discouraged. For the Lord your God is with you whenever you go. So don't be afraid when the challenges comes, because be strong and courage. Do not fear, but be courage, but encourage. So God bless everyone.